Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see a aptitude on profit and loss. Aptitude 6. A trader mixes 26 kilograms of rice at Rs 20 per kilogram, with 30 kilograms of rice of other variety, at Rs 36 per kilogram, and sells the mixture at Rs 30 per kilogram. His profit percent is: Option A, no profit, no loss. Option B, 5%. Option C, 8%. Option D, 10%. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer, 5%. Explanation. CP of 56 kilograms rice, equals, 26 into 20 plus 30 into 36 rupees, equals, 520 plus 1080 rupees, equals, 1600 rupees. SP of 56 kilograms rice, equals, 56 into 30 rupees, equals, 1680 rupees. Gain percent equals, gain by CP, into 100. Therefore, gain percent equals, 80 by 1600, into 100%, equals 5%. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.